session 10:30 to 11:30 a.m. Evening session 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. That means daily there are 2 slots of 1 hour each. 10 to 7, these are for offline, which I have already told you. For online mode, it is morning 10 to evening 7. Student can choose any time. For online mode, the student have the relaxation or the liberty to choose any time between 10 to 7. Last date of enrollment, 3 days before the exam date, online examination. Let's say if a child is willing to take a date of 14, then he'll have to register till 11. That means 3 days before taking the examination. But for offline, 7 days before taking the examination, he or she has to register. Date of declaration 2nd January for 12th, 11th and 12th studying students, and 4th January, that is Tuesday, for 8th, 9th and 7th studying students. Scholarship and cash awards details. Scholarship based on NTH rank 10 studying top 1000. This is I am informing you about the medical aspirants. 100% waiver, up to 100% waiver according to their NTH rank. Then scholarship based on NTH percentile score 10 studying, again 100% waiver, up to 100% waiver. Now next, cash award for 10 studying students, medical aspirants. The cash award will be up to 2 lakh rupees. However, based on their ranking, the cash amount will be different, but it is up to 2 lakh of rupees. Similarly, different categories, different waivers, different cash awards for 7th, 8th and 9th studying students. Similarly, for 10th studying students, engineering aspirants. So these details, of course, parent can come to us, can take the details, or they can inquire it on phone also. Now terms and conditions for NASA trip. 2 awards from top 10 and balance 3 from other ranks. Selected student must have enrolled in an Akash classroom program for next year, that is 2022 and 23, and must have paid the first installment. The trip will be conducted sometime between April and June. On the following, only the following expenses for the selected student and one parent shall borne by AESL airfare student with one parent, accommodation and entry ticket to Kennedy Space Center. The document and processing of the visa shall be done by the student/parent. The price cannot be converted into cash or exchanged in any other form.
How many students
Have registered or appeared, or what is the result? What is your exact question, sir?
What is the result?
Result. So sir, see, we have 3 different wings. First one is foundation, second one is engineering, and third one is our medical. So almost 50 to 60% seats of Government Medical College Goa is captured by Akasian, which sir has already discussed. As far as engineering is concerned, so this year in 2021, JEE Mains state topper was from Akasian, from Akash. JEE Advanced topper is also from Akash, and more than 10 to 12 students we are hoping that they will just enroll in a prestigious IT this year. As far as foundation is concerned, so there is a legacy of Akash in NTS examination. So rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, mostly these ranks are captured by Akasian. So this year also I think state rank 2 was from Akash itself, and we are hoping great result in say NEET result is about to be declared say in next 10 to 15 days. So we will again invite you. We are expecting a very good result in NEET also.
What is cutoff this year for GMC?
For GMC,
Yeah.
so sir, it depends. Just because the level of question was slightly higher than last year.
Yeah.
So in 2018, the cutoff was approximately 350 for general category,
Yeah.
which was raised by 100 marks in 2019.
Yeah.
So it's just, it depends ki how the ranks comes and what is the ratio of say marks and ranks. So जब तक result नहीं आता है sir, and the official key is not launched yet, तो it depends on it sir. has appeared in 2019, and this year we have targeted, Varun said, the total student is approximately 10 lakhs.
Pan-India. What about last year, 2020?
Due to pandemic, there was a little dip, but the trend is more than 3 lakh students appeared almost every year from last 5 to 6 years. This is our 12th edition.
Till now, around more than 20 lakh students have already been appeared from 2010 to 2020. Now, this is a tremendous result of JEE Advanced from Goa branches. In fact, the best result so far from any institute of Goa, which is AIR 492 Tanmay Purohit and AIR 660 Ayush Prabhu in JEE Advanced. Also, Gaurav Rohilla AIR 3861.
So this is for JEE Advanced.
Yes, this is for JEE Advanced, sir. And also in JEE Mains, we had our Goa topper.
Tanmay Purohit.
Tanmay Purohit,
Ayush S. Prabhu.
Ayush S. Prabhu also. 99.93 percentile was from our Goa branches. So this is the list of students who are studying in GMC, that is Government Medical College Goa, from Goa branches. Almost 50% of the seats in Goa branches are from Akash Institute. Every year, this is for last year. So this was a
We have started this examination in year 2010. This is our 12th edition, and we received tremendous response from students. I remember in 2019, more than 3 lakh students appeared in this examination. Students can avail scholarship up to 100%. They are eligible for cash awards if they scored a good rank, a rank up to 100. They can subscribe our Merit Nations courses, which helps them in their board preparation. Also, as this is a national level examination where lakhs of students appeared, so they can check their position at where they stand at national level. And most important, from this year, we will sponsor 5 students for prestigious NASA. So we will sponsor NASA trip for to our 5 of qualified students. So to discuss in details, we have Mr. Vikram Khatri. So he will just explain the details of ANTHE and about the examination date, about the different syllabus, about the benefits. So over to you, Vikram sir.
Remove mask.
Sir, just remove mask. So good evening, sirs. As Varun sir has already mentioned, myself Abhishek Kumar Sinha. I am physics faculty and deputy director in for Maharashtra and Goa in Akash. So with me we have Mr. Vikram Khatri, assistant director for Goa branches. So we are here for ANTHE launch. So ANTHE, Akash National Talent Hunt Examination. This is a national level examination which helps a student to take their first step towards becoming doctor, engineer, and to crack different type of
On behalf of Akash Education Services Limited, to the launch of our national scholarship called ANTHE. We have with us Mr. Abhishek Kumar Sinha, Deputy Director, Mr. Vikram Khatri, Assistant Director. So I would request Abhishek sir to take you through a short presentation on